Hi, this is Balaji from JKBC Tech. Today we will unbox TP-Link Archer AC 1200 Archer A6. Actually, I received a different unit from Amazon. It looks totally different. But after taking, I came to know that I have booked for version 2 and I received a version 3, which is good from Amazon. Yeah, both models are A6, but I have ordered for version 2 and I received a version 3. It's good. Let's see what on the box. Let's unbox it first. It's a Gigabit dual band router with a Qualcomm chip inside. Its model is Archer A6. They given some specification on the box. Backside it's about one mesh trademark. If you have multiple routers, you can use them as a single router in your mesh network. Yeah, let's unbox it. The specifications are given on side. According to them, the 2.4 GHz is 300 Mbps and 5 GHz it's 867 Mbps. Total it will be around 1200 Mbps. One more thing, good thing about this router is it supports MIMO. You can get good speeds at the multiple devices connected. You have some app also for this. You can scan the QR code and download the app, and you can configure it easily from that app. Some useless stickers. Let's open it. The price of this router is around 2500, but you can get it as low as 2200 or 100 in deals. For that price, it's a very good deal. The texture is very good, build quality is good. I didn't expect it. It comes with 4 antennas. On back side you have slots for wall mounting, and they have given that 2G 5G SSIDs. Backside you have power switch and a power port and a WAN in, which is a Gigabit in and 4 GB outs. The 4 GB out LANs. The build quality is very good. I didn't expect it. You have front LEDs for indication. Nothing else. Some other air vents. That's it. I like the build quality very much. Let's keep aside. You will get a Cat 6e cable, LAN cable. Let's keep it aside, and you will get a wall adapter, which is rated for 12 volt 1 amp. Let's keep it outside. Same pin as other routers. Let's log into the configurations and we'll check it. After first login, you need to give a password for login password. After login, it will ask for quick setup. You have to select the time zone. If you are in India, it will be plus 5:30. You have different modes. I am going to set up in dynamic IP because I am using it as a repeater. If you want to set up in PPOE, you can use it as it. Just you need to give the username and password given by your ISP, and if you give next, it will be done. I am going with dynamic IP because I am using it as a repeater. And it's asking for a Wi-Fi name and password. Let's set it up. After saving, it will take a minute to save your settings. That's it. You have separately guest network also in 5G, 2G, and own network 2G and 5G. At present, I have turned off the guest networks, so it will not show. We'll see the settings one by one. There is internet settings. If you want to change it to PPOE, if you are using Railwire or Airtel RJ45 connections like that, you will use a PPOE type. If you are using Airtel fiber, then you have to buy a ONT and then convert to RJ45 and use this router. Yeah. You have switch modes. You can use it as a router or you can use it as a repeater. You can change Wi-Fi settings, password from here. Then there is a WPS button. If you are going to use it, it will be useful. Mostly nobody will use it. Then there is a settings for guest network. I didn't enable it. If you want, you can enable it. You have parent control, which will come to it in later part of the video. And you have a security, some NAT forwarding, IPv6, and VPN services. If you have any subscriptions to a VPN, you can add here. And there is a smart life assistance, I think, which is connected to Alexa. I don't know much about that. Let's leave it aside. That's it, nothing much. This is the home page of it. It shows the how many wired and wireless network connected. Let's make a speed test. I am using a BaseNAND network, which my plan is 100 Mbps. I'll get around 94 Mbps. Let's see how much this router can pull off. Yeah, ping is slightly high. Usually I get less than 15 or 10, but speed is good. Yeah, that's what I can get generally. 94, above 94, below 95. Upload speed also good. Yeah, it's good. We'll change a server and we'll try it again. This time we'll choose Act Fiber as a host. Let's try it. Yeah, same ping value. As usual, 94 point something. We'll see the upload. Yeah, it's same. I checked with wireless also in 5 gigahertz. Same as Ethernet repeats for me. I think it can pull up to 400 plus Mbps without any issues in 5G mode. 2G mode it's pushing max up to 50 to 60 Mbps only. Yeah, it's good speed. You can't say it only. And there is another option I forgot to mention, that is a traffic monitor. You can monitor the traffic used by individual devices. And there is a parental control mode. You can lock your kids mobile with some specific timings and specific websites, so they cannot use it. For example, if you give youtube.com and just add to that mobile, you can select Monday to Friday or Saturday Sundays whenever you want to allow. For example, if you are allowing Monday to Friday, then it will ask for time limit, and you can keep the time limit how much time they can use, like that. And bedtime you can allow from some specific time to specific time, and you can also watch the history of their usage. Yeah, but it didn't work great for me. Okay, that's it for now. Let's see in another video. Thanks for watching.